Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Likita from CSE branch. I am pursuing my education in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and my topic is Solid Waste Management, Case Study of Maharashtra. Solid Waste Management, Case Study in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Introduction. Disposal of solid waste without proper treatment imposes negative effect on soil, water, air, human health and aesthetic value. Uncontrolled waste accumulated on street, public space, vacant lots, those creating illegal open dumps. Residents can also simply throw their waste at the near streams or burn them. The present practice regarding solid waste include disposal of waste in the low-lying areas, dumping in the vacant place, storing waste in outskirts of city. There are many problems associated with the solid waste. The waste is handled without taking any precautions. Solid waste rules. The rules cover major area regarding segregation, disposal of sanitary waste, collect bag scheme for packing waste, user fees for collection, promoting use of compost, waste processing and treatment, promotion of waste to energy, revision of parameters and existing standards, management of waste in hilly areas, constitution of central monitoring committee. Problems due to improper solid waste management. The most easy and popular solution of waste disposal is open dumping. The open dumping of solid waste is the most insignificant method of disposal. It has been found that there are major problems of open dumping practice. The chemicals leach out from the garbage and pollute the groundwater and soil. The gas like carbon dioxide and methane released from the site pollute the air. Environmental problems. The impact of waste on environment also differs from different categories of waste. The waste which may appear harmless at its generation point could be dangerous as it comes in contact with the environment. For example, kitchen waste which include leftover leaves, vegetable fruits, etc. appears harmless at its generation point. Health. The organic waste present in the garbage degrades and hosts several living organisms. Flies, insects, rodents, etc. get attracted to such site. The birds, cattle and dogs lead to further spreading of the waste. The colonies of living organisms further pollute the site. The wind and rain also act as agents to spread the waste. The site gives offensive odors due to degradation of organic matter. Social. The site of open dumping is always disliked for aesthetic reasons. The people surrounding the site face majority of health problems. About 90% municipal solid waste is disposed of unscientifically and unmannered way in open dump places, creating problem to public health and environment. Such open dumping is not only causes environmental problems but also distort the aesthetic beauty. Economical. Economical development of region gets restricted due to open dumping of solid waste. Report preparation. Reports prepared by MPCB and ESR proved to be important documents in order to understand situation of city's solid waste management plan. The ESR is a comprehensive document that serves as an input for new city development plans. The report identifies environmental concerns. The report presents details of environmental infrastructure and serves like a solid waste management. Awareness plan. Lack of awareness is a major problem. The implementation of training program is advocated to create awareness. Citizens' awareness about solid waste program helps to develop public campaigns. However, Aurangabad Municipal Corporation, with the help of Civic Response team, planned Bajaj Mazi City Takatak campaign, which drew a lot of community attention. Budget. 60 crores have been spent on solid waste management since last 5 years by AMC. The entire money comes from AMC. Staff. For City of Aurangabad, a typical team involved in solid waste management include 1545 scavengers, self-help group labor 327. For the sake of ease of operation, there are 12 troops leaders and 12 chief leaders. The waste pickers and scavengers are mainly responsible for collection of waste. Vehicles. AMC uses 120 loading rickshaw for collection of solid waste. The other vehicles used include trippers, handle carts, bullock carts and trucks. Segregation and treatment of waste. Segregation of waste is carried out as wet and dry waste. However, in several wards, the idea is not taken seriously and the waste occurs as mixed waste. Mixing of dry and wet waste makes the process complicated. Depending on the characteristics of waste, treatment should be decided. Survey. Due to changing pattern of waste compaction, emphasis needs to be given on its segregation and management. A survey should be carried out on generation and characterization of solid waste. To obtain a statistically reliable sample, large number of samples must be analyzed. This data could be processed and conclusions could be derived. Weather effect on solid waste management. Weather effect on solid waste. The weather of Aurangabad city remains dry and moderately extreme. Temperature of Aurangabad city lies between 9 to 41.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity is in the range of 35 to 50%. The winter season commences from the middle of November and ends by the end of the January, followed by a dry, hot summer from February to the middle of June. It is important to consider the weather condition while selecting a method for treatment of waste. This should be considered. Implementation of solid waste management rules. Strictly implementation of solid waste management rules should be observed. Integration of waste pickers and waste dealers in the formal system should be done by government and self-help group. Sanitary land filling. Instead of open dumping, sanitary land filling must be practiced. The landfill site is a scientific way to dispose solid waste which cannot be degraded by microorganisms. The landfill can be used as recreational area. However, it should be noted that the recyclables in solid waste could have a different destination other than the disposal in sanitary landfills. The guidelines issued by MPBC for processing and landfill site include several factors like site location, plant, presence of water body, distance from habitation, capacity, quantity of waste generated, etc. Equipments. Number of equipments useful for handling solid waste must be procured. The equipments should be designed on a batch scale. Bulldozers are used for leveling the site. Compactors and baling machine should also be brought for handling the solid waste. Conclusion. Problem of solid waste will grow rapidly if not given due attention. The waste which appears harmless at its source could prove to be a major problem if not treated well. The efforts taken by municipal authorities regarding solid waste handling and treatment need to improve. With the aid of technological inventions in the treatment process, the scenario of solid waste handling and treatment practice can be altered. The solid waste management laws are meant for protecting the environment. I hope you could gain some points about solid waste management in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Thank you.